Welcome to week 6 of this year's journey, and 6 weeks has come and gone in no time whatsoever. And today I wanted to talk about one major thing, which is ingrown hairs. And around that topic of ingrown hairs, I also wanted to talk about razor burn, razor bumps, because it's all one of the same thing really. As an introduction guys, I'm Daniel from Beardster. We make all natural beard care products for you guys, and we make a bunch of content to try and help you along the way with your beard and grooming journey. And today's episode, talking about ingrown hairs, is probably one of the most important ones out there. So it's really good that you're here today and you're learning about them and how you can avoid even having them and what to do if you do have them. So stick around to the end. We're going to talk about what they are. So ingrown hairs are just beard hairs or head hairs or hairs, you know, anywhere on your body, and those hairs have come out of the hair follicle, and a hair follicle is just a cavity in your face, and it is responsible for hair growth. So that's where the hairs sort of sprout out from there, and the hairs come out that hair follicle and they curl. Like something like this. So I'm not too good at the example bits, but they curl over and they go back into your skin. That's the main type of ingrown hair. You'll also get a few others where the hair kind of just doesn't even come out and just curls, and you know, it doesn't even make its way out of the hair follicle itself, and it just gets a nice red sore without the hair coming through. And yeah, those ones are just a bit more tricky, and the risk of infection and things is probably a little bit higher with those ones actually. Now, if you've got a curly beard, my beard is kind of straight, it's not too bad. If you've got curly hair like that, even on your head, the rest of your body, but on your beard in particular, you're really going to struggle with avoiding ingrown hairs if you don't follow a decent beard care and skin care regime every single day. That's the way to prevent it. Now, beard and facial hair in general is a lot coarser, thicker than most other hair on your body. So once again, you're more prone to ingrown hairs when you're growing a beard out, which really does suck. Now, one of the major causes of ingrown hair is dead skin. Dead skin that just sits on the surface of your skin. It's not doing much apart from clogging up your follicles, your pores, causing dirt to go into every cavity and pore on your face, and this can cause, just in general, a lot of spots and pimples. But when those hairs are trying to pop out, when they try and pop out, they can't, because they've got, you know, they've got the skin prop. This is the skin here, the dead skin, and they're trying to get through, and they just keep hitting it, and eventually that just curls back over and you get an ingrown hair. So you need to prevent that build-up of dead skin on your face. You need to keep that skin nice and clean, and that's the way in which you avoid ingrown hairs. So the two ways I think are the most important in preventing ingrown hairs are, first, washing and exfoliating the beard, and secondly, conditioning and hydrating the beard and the skin. So let's start off with washing and exfoliating the beard. This doesn't have to be expensive, it doesn't have to be complex. So to wash the beard, quite simply, you just need water. You really can do this with water. I know a lot of companies sell beard shampoos, beard washes, beard soaps, and eventually we're going to, because they do have a lot of fantastic benefits. You know, you wet your face and you just want to get your fingertips right in on that beard, into the skin, and you just want to gently rub the beard all over. Do the mustache, do it all over, and do it on the rest of your skin, your forehead, your eyebrows, do it all around. And just do that maybe 3 to 4 times a week. Work out what suits your skin and your beard. Only you will know what works best. Experiment. So once you've washed and exfoliated, you need to also have a very good skincare routine to prevent ingrown hairs. Beard oil or a beard butter are your go-to products here. Beard oil is great because it seeps right through the beard, gets to the skin, and conditions the skin. We think of it as a skin and beard softener. You know, the oils are there, they moisturize the skin, they soften it up, and they allow the hairs to grow a lot more effectively. Go over to Beard Butter though, and it's good for any length of beard as well. Those fatty acids from all those natural butters get right to the skin, into the beard. It's really an all-round face moisturizer. You can work into your forehead, eyebrows. I work it a lot into the cheeks and the forehead as well, and my skin has never been better. I know there's some guys that don't shave whatsoever. I'm doing a beard. I'm not trimming the length, but I am maintaining some lines. I'm maintaining a bit on the neck at the moment, although actually my beard's growing so fast that I'm not gonna worry too much about the neck anymore, but I am worried about the cheek lines, which I like to keep sharp. Any area of your body or your face that you are shaving and controlling and shaving maybe multiple times a week, those are the areas you're most at risk of forming razor burn, razor bumps, or ingrown hairs. You've shaved so close to the skin, you've caused some irritation, and the hairs have just sort of gone in and out and everywhere. But there are a few ways to minimize this. So for me, the first thing to do whenever you trim or shave a certain area of your beard is to prepare the face properly. When those pores and hair follicles open up, it's also a lot easier to shave, and it also releases any dirt and grime and nasty stuff that's in there. You want to either have a hot shower, hot bath, or get a hot towel or flannel, apply it to the area that you're going to shave, do it for some time, open up those pores, and then you can proceed with shaving. We also want to add that you should probably add some sort of lubricant. Yeah, lubricant. So what I mean by lubricant is a shaving gel, cream, soap, or like we showed you back, I think almost a year ago now when we started making videos, is just apply some beard oil, because beard oil actually works as a really nice lubricant. Single stroke, and that's really important as well. You only want to do a single stroke with your razor, because the more times you go over the area, the closer to the skin you're getting, and it's just more likely that you're going to get razor burn. The most important part of a shave is as soon as you're done shaving, apply a cold compress, cold water to the areas in which you've shaved, because you don't want those pores to stay open, because all that grime and dirt's going to go back into it. So you rinse your face off, put a cold compress on, close those pores up, and you don't let any dirt in there. So that's it, guys. You need to wash your beard, exfoliate your beard, apply product to your skin and beard. We recommend beard oil or beard butter. Personal preference will decide that. So check out our beard oils and beard butters in the link below. We'll leave a discount code, guys. We realized we weren't doing this really for YouTube, and so for any of you on YouTube, you now get 20% off your first order with Beardster, regardless of where you are in the world, just to say thanks for being an awesome viewer. And we really appreciate your time today. We'll leave you with that, and we'll see you on Thursday for another video. It's been fun, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.